One is just a regular guy, the other's a physical manifestation of the void, but now they have to live together. It's Jim and the Existential Terror.
Tonight's episode, Birds Date Bees.
Hey, Uncle Jim.
Oh, hello, Daikon. It's your father's weekend with you then, is it?
Yeah. Uncle Jim, can I ask you a question?
Of course you can.
Where do babies come from?
Oh, that's easy. Well, I know where human babies come from, but I don't know where void babies come from. Hey, Tara, where do void babies come from?
Please, Dad, I really want to know. Where did I come from? Wow, thanks, Dad. I didn't know the miracle of life was so beautiful. I'm gonna go to the store and buy some pancake batter right now.
You know, Tara, you really are a good father. Tara, why does your son need pancake batter? Tara, why does your son need pancake batter? Tara! Tara! Tara!